Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to remove the background when I'm using camera on OBS Studio. For example, I'm not using any green screen, but without green screen, right, you can just remove the background. It will be very useful when you're attending any meetings, when your business meeting or your official meeting, even if you're attending any interview also, it will be very useful. Okay, I'm going to explain that first. First, you need to install this app, okay, OBS background removal. So I'll be providing this link in the description, so you can use that. So I'm using Windows PC, so just I have installed through this installer. So once installed, right, automatically before installing this background removal application, just close the OBS Studio and then install it. Okay, and already I have added the camera. Okay, this is my camera already added. And next thing, we need to go to this filters. Okay, under filters we need to add this filters. So here you can see this background removal. So ensure that you have closed while installing, okay, OBS Studio. Okay, fine. Background removal, I'm going to add it. Automatically it's got something, it's got removed. So I'm going to enable threshold, okay, and here I'm going to choose, you can choose CPU or GPU as well, DirectML. Okay, and here I'm going to use smooth silhouette, and threshold I'm just reducing. So you can experiment. Okay, right now I'm going to set the default settings. Again, you can check this, blur the background simply. Okay, blurring the background. Okay, just simply blurring the background. Okay, and okay, this will be very much good, right? This is good. And if you go to advanced settings, so you can reduce or decrease that threshold. Okay, this is good actually. Smooth silhouette you can increase. So this is the way you can remove the background, friends. So that's it. Now if you're going live or if you're going to do any gameplay also, you can choose that. Definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you, bye, and take care.